Hello everyone. Today we are going to perform experiment number 85. To prepare and submit, insufflation is the title of this experiment. Insufflation is the solid dosage form of for external use. Already we have studied in theory that is solid insufflation is the solid dosage form for which is externally used. It is a medicated dusting powder for use in the body cavities such as nose, throat, ear, and any other body cavities. Okay. Powder containing liquefiable substance. In this insufflation, it is the powder which contain liquefiable substance which is used with the apparatus that is insufflator. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे प्रिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है और यहाँ पे apparatus है मोटर, पेसन एंड स्पैचुला. ठीक है, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में हमें जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज़ करने हैं फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ इंसफ्लेशन दैट आर मेंथॉल इज दैट इज मेंथॉल, कैम्फर, अमोनियम क्लोराइड एंड मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट. Okay, this is the given quantity we have to in which is in a percentage, that is 5 parts means 5%, 5 parts means 5%, 30%, 60%. This all quantities, total quantities is about 100% we have to given. Then we have to submit. This is about 16 ग्राम. हमें यहाँ पे 16 ग्राम क्वांटिटी ऑफ इंसफ्लेशन सबमिट करना है यानी प्रिपेयर करना है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द ऑल द क्वांटिटी फॉर ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स फॉर 16 ग्राम. ठीक है, तो मेंथॉल कैलकुलेट करने के बाद हमें मिलता है 0.8 ग्राम, कैम्फर 0.8 ग्राम, अमोनियम क्लोराइड 4.8 ग्राम एंड मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट 9.6 ग्राम. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द क्वांटिटी फॉर given taken quantity for the preparation of insufflation. So now we are going to read the procedure for the preparation of insufflation. See, here factor is given, that is quantity required for 16 gram and quantity given for 100 gram, that will be the 0.16. See the stepwise procedure for the preparation of insufflation. First we have to separately powder all the ingredients. ठीक है, हमें separately powder करना है crystalline ingredient. Then weigh out required quantity of each ingredient. हमें फिर उसके बाद एक एक इंग्रेडिएंट की क्वांटिटी वे करना है. मिक्स मेंथॉल विथ अमोनियम क्लोराइड एंड कीप इट असाइड. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू मिक्स मेंथॉल विथ अमोनियम क्लोराइड एंड उसको बाजू में रखना है. देन सेपरेटली मिक्स कैम्फर विथ मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट. कैम्फर को मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट के साथ और मेंथॉल को अमोनियम क्लोराइड के साथ मिक्स करना है. then mix both the portion together, then transfer to dry mouth bottle, cork it, attach, prepare and label and submit. उसके बाद हमें जो वाइड माउथ बॉटल है वो पूरी तरह से ड्राई होनी चाहिए, उसमें हमें सबमिट करना है, उसको लेबल लगाना है टाइटली, उसको कॉर्क करना है और लेबल लगा के हमें सबमिट करना है. ठीक है, हियर लेबलिंग इज गिवन फॉर इंसफ्लेशन. You have to write the name of preparation, then with quantity, then name of each ingredients with their respective quantity, direction, storage, manufacturing license number, manufacturing date, expiry date, manufacturing batch number, manufactured by. Okay, then write down here the use for the preparation, then result finally. Okay, then solve all the 5 questions for the assignment. Okay, so let's start with the experiment performing. First I am going to triturate all the ingredients to make a fine powder before weighing. Okay, after that after making fine powder you have to weigh this camphor. Okay, now it is in crystalline form. Now I am weighing that powder. You have to take, this is up to 0.8 gram. See this. It is 0.8. This is the first portion, that is camphor and magnesium carbonate, and this is another portion, menthol and ammonium chloride. We have to mix both the portion with each other to make an insufflation which contain liquefiable substance, that is the menthol and camphor is the liquefiable substance. We have to mix this portion with this. I have mixed both the portion with each other to make an insufflation which having medicinal properties. We have to use this insufflation with the insufflator apparatus. Okay, you have to submit this preparation in wide mouth bottle, which should be in dried form, and label it and tightly cork and submit it. Okay, thank you.